Welcome back, folks. This is Pete from Golden Spike Hobbies. This Athearn AC4400CW is the subject of this video. Special thanks to my friend Al Timmons from Restoration Station for the amazing weathering job. Today, in a few steps, I would like to show you how to add a K1 Keep Alive to this model, and I will replace the factory speaker with our narrow body twin speaker. Let's remove the fuel tank so we can get an easy access to the screws underneath. You'll find one screw and one coupler box on each side to be removed. Underneath the shell is very neat and organized, but not much room for a Keep Alive. Let's replace the factory speaker first. The red arrows point to the screws we need to remove, and the green arrow shows the point when we need to cut the wires from the speaker. For this project, we are going to use Golden Spike Hobbies narrow body twin speaker. After we secure the speaker with the original screws, we can solder the wires. The red indicates the positive, the black indicates the negative connection. Once the wires are secured and organized, we are going to take care of the Keep Alive. This is K1P, which means it comes with a plug, so our job is very simple. Find the connector on the Tsunami board and plug in your Keep Alive, and it's ready to go. It took me a few minutes finding room for the Keep Alive because there's not much space we can work with. Inside of the shell, this is the only space available to accommodate our Keep Alive. You could secure it here, or you could do what I did and put the Keep Alive on the top of the sound decoder. It needs to be off of the center line, and if you see it on the next picture, Keep Alive port side, wires starboard side. And this way you can put the shell back and it will fit perfectly. Don't forget to put the screws back in the bottom. And once the coupler boxes and the fuel tank is secured back in its place, we're gonna take her out to do a sound test.